now, though.
We're live now on Facebook and YouTube. So
Okay.
just so you know, make sure you don't.
Keep my foul language under
Oh,
control.
yeah, we should probably take it off of Facebook and just do it on YouTube, just because the damn filtering on Facebook. They'll be like, "We
Oh
hear
my god,
Marian."
right? They'll kick me off for cursing
Yeah,
on live.
they'll be like, "We hear the banned person."
Ban her.
Yeah.
This just took off, but this is too expensive, really, for our thing. METX is being a brat.
I'm gonna post the link in the Discord as well, just to get people
Okay.
in. Sorry, I'm gonna be really distracted as I post the stuff, and then gotta watch Netflix at the market open as well. Like,
I know, it's so hard. The open gives me like such agita.
we are doing the live stream on YouTube live this morning. I just about sent out the actual link to come and join in with us. That would have been bad having anybody come in.
Yeah. Whoops.
Be cool to add people in, but I highly doubt people will be that engaged this time in the morning.
I know.
Like, oh yeah, let's go and talk to Marian and Russell. Let's see. You sound like Darth Vader, by the way.
Really? Is it my headphones or just my morning voice?
No, it's like some like like sort of windy sounding noise.
Really? That's so weird.
Yeah, it's almost like a microphone's been bumped or something, or like moved.
Is it better now?
Yeah, it stopped.
Okay, I moved it a little bit.
Right. All right. So we're doing a live stream on YouTube. Um, everyone. It's YouTube and Facebook. But I almost forget that. Let's see. It will be on Facebook too. We're doing this live stream. So, all right. So I sent that out to the Discord.
Okay.
Um, I'll probably go on Facebook just now as well. Yeah, crap. We only have 2 minutes until they open.
Hi,
There we
Vey.
go. Do-do-do.
EJH. Um, I'm really having a hard time here knowing. I don't know really who to watch.
Let the dice decide. Do-do-do.
I feel like it'll be too hard to see if I make it to be 6 charts.
Well, if it has to be 6 charts, it's got to be 6 charts. Nah, let's just do a usual narrow it down to two, and then watch the one we didn't take go flying.
Fine. Yeah. That's the best. I love it.
EQOS on your 566.
Yeah, so the problem is that it did have that's really one of the better ones. Like according to our rules, because it's 35 million float
Yeah.
and it had a catalyst. They launched their own crypto token, DOT.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's just it went to 1054. Now it's to 570. All right, here we go. I gotta make sure I got METX. EJH had no catalyst. Prog's coming down.
Hear all your crazy notifications going off.
I know. I'll turn off the phone. Sorry.
I'm just watching Netflix here. There's a bit of a spread on it, um, on the contracts from yesterday.
Wow. Okay, so let's check OCG. And you could hear my computer's alerts too?
Right now, yeah, I could hear them beeping like going
Okay.
off, but right now they
Sorry.
seem alright.
I don't know how to make that stop. Okay. EJH and EQOS are the only ones going green. METX is just landslide. OCGN also just red.
Yeah,
Um, let's put METX on 5 minutes, see if we catch a red to green.
yeah, yeah.
Regular session. Uh, okay,
EQOS
EQOS.
bouncing from your red line of pain.
It's just crazy. It gave back half of what it came from 4 to 6. I'm gonna take OCGN off for a minute and put EQOS on 1 minute. That's 625 is pretty key. So, there it goes. Let's see if I can get over here. I might take 100 shares of it.
Which one are you looking at?
I'm looking at
E-
EQOS.
Oh yeah, the bounce off the thing.
Yeah, I'm
So
gonna see
that's
how it
the
does at
5 minute.
this. It wicked the 625. The top
Yeah.
chart is 5 minute chart, and the
Hmm.
bottom chart is 1 minute.
1 minute. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a small. I mean, I don't really like. I didn't even get in yet, but I'm looking if I
Yeah.
do to take like 100 shares.
Yeah.
Okay, let me move. I'll come back to that. Um, no, not 100 million. So that 5 minutes still looks okay. 1 minute looks terrible.
Mhm.
EJH. Let me see. 1 minute. Oh, these all look awful. METX. That was obviously huge profit taking.
Yeah.
126 million. Mhm.
Yeah. It's breaking through your 0.5.
Yeah, that's
6.
1.556.
Still a minute to go or so till the 5 minute closes. It's still looking like EQOS is the
I
on the
know.
5 minute. It's almost bullish engulfing, but not. It's not quite getting there.
I shared this. This was too, but it fuck. Man, that sucks. This ran, but it can't this ran at 9 o'clock. But it came down. Or
Yeah.
this had news and it's 9 million float. I should that's why there was too many. You could see in the news channel I shared the chart and the news.
Yeah.
And it was a deal with Levi's for like making pants or something,
Yeah.
jeans. Damn, this would have been no, stop it. Do you stop it right now? All right, it just hit the pre-market high. Okay, so that was the pre-market gapper that
I love how that one's
did
called
it.
like Miz, like basically the
I
same as Michelle.
Ms.
Miz.
My size. Yeah, the news. I'm so pissed because I had that too. Um, they announced they were awarded a contract from Dockers and
Mhm.
Levi's. So I was really surprised that it actually came down so quickly
Yeah.
because that seems like a big deal.
Yeah, you'd think so.
Yeah, at 9 o'clock though, but it came up and then immediately came down. And I meant to come back to check it, but it wasn't a gainer anymore.
Crazy.
143. Okay, so we ran the high. It's pulling back. Let's check it on 5 minutes. Look at that candle. 28%. God damn it. METX is just terrible still. No, this 5 minute is just coming right back down.
Yeah.
EJH also terrible. Let's see. METX, EQOS, EJH, CCNC. Let's see how that did. Okay. That's the 1 minute. If this 5 minute is opening above VWAP
Yeah, yeah.
and it's testing the
CCNC.
close of this candle, so let's see how it does on 5. This is METX's 5 minute, which doesn't look great. Look at that.
Gappers and crappers.
Yeah, I mean they're all still in a gap up. Oh, look at my size. This 5 minute candle is actually its body
Yeah.
is above.
The problem is the next price target is only 1.56.
Yeah, right
So
here is where I got it
that
from.
causes, yeah,
But this is I had this that's why I can't move it. You see it's locked. This is
yeah,
I brought this up like last week or something, and then again this morning. But after that is the sevens. This is the daily chart. So
no,
June 29th, it went to 179. Let's see weekly. This was the one. I'm really like aggravated that I didn't come back to it because there was too many. Okay. Really, if it breaks these levels, then in the threes is what. Oh my God. Why didn't I just take that? Look at it, 173, and look where exactly where it wicked.
yeah, hitting your levels.
Damn. And it's only 9 million flow. That's why it's moving so easy.
Yeah.
I hope somebody caught it.
Take it there, 1.6. See if you can get 1.7 again.
I know. I'm definitely gonna still watch it. Look at the rest of them. Terrible.
So the bottom right is 5 minutes, and we've got a minute left on it. If it starts another candle above that, above your key level and above the top of the
Right
that,
here.
yeah. What do you think? Right up to the next level, maybe.
Let's pull the 1 minute next to
Yeah.
it because the other ones are doing shit.
It may close too high on this 5 minute though.
Yeah, the 1
As
minute wicked all the way back down to 154. Okay, so
see,
this
like,
is 1, this is 5. I wonder if it'll. VWAP is right near the first
yeah,
PT, the pre-market high.
the 1 minute's kind of flagging. Looks like. I don't know.
Look at my
The other
price
ones are
alerts
still
on it.
crap. It's the
Dang.
Nessie.
It is the Nessie.
There's not as big a hump unless the hump's pre-market on the left.
This is a camel.
It kind of is. That's, yeah, camel
We call this
or
camel now.
camel pattern. Yeah. All right, so
My
that's
size, the
the
camel has 2 humps. I
yeah.
mean,
For
it's
people watching, we're coming up with new names for these patterns, like the Nessie pattern. What's the other ones? The
Chinese New
Chinese
Year's
dragon.
dragon. We got a kitty cat.
Yeah,
Meow. It's almost like a Head and Shoulders, but not quite. Come on, my size. Show us what you want. So this is 1 minute. It's hard to even see like a breakout pattern because there's just not enough candles yet.
yeah.
IWM came straight down from 230.56 to 228.6.
Well,
So that's not helping. SPY is up over VWAP, but it's kind of sideways. Oh, this candle just opened. Okay, this 5-minute candle opened a minute ago. Right? Why does it 9:45?
Yeah, I did.
9:40. Okay, because this is the 9:42, 9:45 candle.
Now we're on the VWAP on the 1 minute.
Yeah, the 5-minute wicked it.
Bounce off the VWAP on the 1 minute on MYSZ.
I just don't like this candle. The 5-minute. Wouldn't
Yeah,
that be like an inverted hammer if it closes like this with a long
yeah,
wick and a short body?
yep. We've still got a while till it closes though, so
Yeah,
we're
3
getting
more
close.
minutes. But I feel like an inverted hammer, if it actually prints into
Yeah,
that, is going to show us the sellers are taking control.
the evil sellers like they are on Netflix.
I know. We could short it. Wahaha. It would have been fun to short from 173, but we were late on this one.
Yeah,
Well, we were early, but we were late to recheck it.
yep.
Ooh, that was ugly. Let's see if it can hold VWAP. The pre-market high was 147, so let's look on daily how gapped it is. Oh, not even
Yes.
that bad because it took all of its gains back in pre-market.
Oh yeah.
Had it not done that, it would have opened here.
METX on the 5 minutes looking
Okay,
crazy. Let's
sure
take
is.
it back.
These are like, I don't know, same size. I don't know what that's called, but the green is
The Twin
trying
Towers,
to
this is
match up. Yeah, Twin Towers. I like that.
one red and one green.
I was gonna say I think like soldiers are like that, but I think they're usually the same color and all the same size, like the three
Yeah.
soldiers, but that's not what this is. I should probably try to get a little bit better at knowing those. But for now, engulfing works pretty good, and body's opening. What time is it? 9. There's 1 more minute on this 5-minute. Oof. Yikes.
It's the knife edge.
Yeah, well, buyers
Um,
ate it right back up.
METX though,
Oh,
it's like
it
closed
wants to
just above.
engulf. There's 1 more minute. Come on, eat it up to here. Okay, EQOS sucks. Let's put METX 1 minute over here.
Get out of here.
Over here.
Sounds a little Australian sometimes.
I feel like, New York accents and Long Island accents are so different, and I have like neither of them that I'm aware of. But sometimes when I'm mad, it just comes out a little.
I don't even want to look at Netflix, but I'm gonna have a look. Let's see. No.
What is it down?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be up.
Yeah. I could have taken profits at the market open, but of course I didn't. So
Oh crap.
hopefully.
Nitro. Yeah, he has my size on watch. Duh. Is anybody even on here?
Yeah, there's a couple of people watching now. There's been quite a few people revolving through. But I have a feeling market open is very few people are actually trading it these days. So It's
Which is
fine.
interesting because it's such a fun time. Stressful, but
Yeah.
if you time it right,
Well, I noticed the viewers for like other places have dropped massively during the market open as well. It's like
which is
people like,
interesting because both options and equities make massive moves during that first few minutes.
yeah.
Oh no. Let me just check CETX. I was waiting to enter this. I know Tech Guy entered it, I think yesterday, but I was a little bit nervous. You see this line?
Hmm. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
was nervous that nothing would stop it until here,
Yeah.
and I just got the alert. It's down 7%. But for anyone watching, this is worth watching if it
Watching for a
comes down.
bounce. Yeah.
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 We traded it
Mhm.
here. We missed it here, but I will. I have alerts on it. I will keep it on watch. But back to METX. This is 4 hours on it. That looks terrible.
Yeah.
It looks better. Oh, look at the gap. It really does have a gap to fill to 70,
Yep.
um, which it got close in pre-market. It hit 67. So it's definitely still a monster to watch. Okay, it's
Five
looking
minute
better.
closure.
This, yeah,
Mm.
this 5 minute is opened above. These two evened each other out. I
We
sold it
want to
for a
close
loss,
above.
like a chicken right here. Maybe I should try it
We,
again.
yeah, we'd want to close above that red
Yeah, I
line there.
agree.
How long till one more minute or so?
It's 9:48. It's so cheap that, it's it's not doing bad, but
It really failed the pennant thing there, though.
it
What do you
sure
call that? The
did.
flag.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it was beautifully uptrending support, downtrending resistance. So I bought it right here when it started breaking out.
Yeah. And it does the
You know,
exact opposite straight away.
I know. I
Yeah.
bought it. I had it at 59, so I bought it like right here. And then I was
Yeah.
green for half a second, and then it was like, no, nice try.
Nice try, but
Yeah. I mean,
sturdily denied.
yeah, I sold it for a much bigger loss than I would have if I held it, but I don't know. I didn't like it. My size, it broke the pre-market high down.
Yeah.
This kind of looks like a horse, right? Here's its tail and its back and its little horse ears.
Uh,
We should whisper to it, like a horse whisperer.
we turn it into a unicorn. Hopefully, a giant blue candle just like spikes up. Basically, becomes a unicorn.
We probably sound so educated.
Yeah, I know. See unicorn power.
I see a horse. Who was the camel? I already forgot who the camel was.
I think
Was it?
that was the camel. Was he?
Wow.
I don't know.
I
Maybe
think
not.
it might have been.
I see a horse.
Camel turned horse. Oh God,
Oh
help
god.
us. Why would
I
anybody
know.
ever follow us into
I know.
anything?
I see a horse. It was just the best. Like
Nay.
every other channel's like, oh well, yes, we've got a Fibonacci retracement for
I
the.
know. What are
We're
those
like,
things? Orbs. Oh no, the
orbs.
Elliott wave. I wonder what Elliott wave
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
on.
Oh yeah,
One,
Elliot wave
two,
number five.
three. 3.5
Like
Elliott wave.
you see the guy in the Facebook group that was talking about how you need algebra and like
I know.
advanced
I was like, what?
calculus and
Like,
stuff to
how? Who
trade
does that?
stocks.
I'm sure there's someone who does that, but I never heard of no calculus trading.
I mean, some of these things are calculated by your broker when
Oh
you
shit.
superpose the stuff. But
Crap. Sorry. Starbucks 112. Hey, she got out at 112 and I didn't. How? Crap. Okay, I just went green. All right, moving on. Sorry.
Just a quick panic Starbucks.
Yeah, because what is
Mm,
even Starbucks doing? SBUX. She got out at 112 and I did it. I had orders there for one contract and she got out of all three of hers and I didn't get out at any.
of course.
What's interesting is
Um,
usually she complains about TOS not filling, but she got a fill and I didn't. Okay, sorry. METX.
5 minutes. It closes green there. It could be a, but
It
we just
could
started,
be.
so
Yeah, let me. Oh, look at it.
see once more.
Pew! Pew pew! The gap is to right here to fill on the daily.
Yeah.
I kind of want to try it again, but I just said that a minute ago and then I lost focus. Yeah, my size is not great. This is the same entry I had before. 1 minute is. Where's VWAP? Wow, okay. Right, it looked so ugly at first, but in reality, it was still up, what, 40%?
Mm-hmm.
Now it's still up 55%. This candle just started. Oh boy. I'm gonna just take 1,000.
Sorry, I'm distracted with Netflix. Of course, I look back and METX is
I
pushing
know. I
again.
just grabbed it at 61.3, but I already lost a good amount on it this morning. Let's see. Yeah, I'm still down $103, even though I'm up
Even though it's
3% on
pushing.
this. Yeah, that's okay though.
That's one nice candle on the 5 minute
It
though.
sure is. Look at even the 1 minute. This is building a new
Yeah.
candle above this area. I'm up four and a
Uh,
half percent on these. Hey,
uh,
don't do that. Okay,
don't think
64.
I'm gonna get in here. What unit? 0.6 or something?
0.6113.
0.6.
Yeah, 67 was a pre-market high. There's a gap to fill to 70. 60. 60. So it's up 10% since 5 minutes ago. If anybody else,
It's just
62.
right at that level. It's like,
I know.
it's gonna close right at your key level there.
What time is it?
On the
9:54.
yeah.
63. Is it 9:55 yet? No, not yet. Wow, that's a massive 5 minutes. Hitting 64. Oh my
Uh,
god. All right, five and a
time.
half percent on these shares. I'm still down. Did it hit 65?
I'm not sure. I took out a small position at 0.64. I'm totally late to the party though.
Kind of. At the same time, it still has ways to go to even just the pre-market high. All right, I'm up 6.5%. If anybody took it for the first time, all right, I'm gonna close it here if it lets me out. Come on, what's my out price?
You're
64.35.
stuck
It's
forever.
not gonna let me out, is it? What a piece
Nope.
of trash.
Just let it ride. You always exit too early.
I do, but I guess because I already gave back, already sold it for a loss.
True.
I'd rather like re-enter it than let it go green red on me more.
Yeah.
But
This
I mean, it's not gonna
psychology
hit
at
it
play.
right. What?
This psychology at play, isn't it? Like,
I
you
know
know, you
because it's I already
recently
took
had
a
a
loss
loss,
on it.
but
I don't want to take a
yeah.
double loss.
Mhm.
63.3, 63.4. I mean, I have my sell at 64.35. I'm still up 4.5% on this. Okay, I got out of that. So, moon time.
Cool.
I might take it again, but I wanted to at least. I just got back about half the money I lost on it.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay,
That's
look at it.
awesome. Yeah.
Let's see. Trade
All right, I'm
last
gonna take it
price.
there.
Okay,
Right.
66.
Actually, I'm just letting it run
67 is the
through.
pre-market high.
0.67. All right, I'm gonna take it there.
Okay, come on, 1 minute.
All right, 16%. 16, not 16%. 21 out of 600. That is. Sorry, I'm just doing the math
Yeah,
for the small account challenge.
we
21
got
out.
out. Look at it at the good time.
Yeah. Okay, so I got 3.5%. So it's not bad. A
No, I
challenge
got
for the
about
small account.
6%, but for me, it was, I'm still red. But on the second trade, I got six. Sold remaining shares. Oh,
Just putting it into the spreadsheet of doom.
okay. It's still trying. 65. What time is it? 9:57. Look at that 1 minute. I should have grabbed it at 62 again. 5 minutes is fighting so hard. What else? Oh, my size. It's stuck under VWAP. It's not even back over the pre-market high yet. I don't want to revenge trade it to get all my money back, but because of course the share I didn't take that much of a percent loss, but I bought 4,000 shares,
Right.
and I
Right.
only bought 1,000 back when I revenge traded. So that's why I didn't. The higher percent I got didn't offset the loss I took the
Right.
first time.
Yeah, that's frustrating. Um, I think it's still go though. I mean, it's just yeah.
Yeah, it's 9:58. So let's see how this candle closes. It only wicked
Um,
this 61 area.
oh, look at MYSZ 5 minute engulfing. Just
Okay,
about to
and
close.
that was green, three reds. This one. Let's see if it can get over. Let's see if it can get over a VWAP. It looked more engulfing a second ago.
Yeah,
Get
I
back
was
up there.
thinking you speak too early and suddenly the engulfing becomes a wick. You're
I
like,
know,
oh no.
right? We still have 2 minutes on it.
Or worse, a hammer. Right.
Well, a hammer down here, I think, would be good, right?
Yeah, well, yeah, except for the fact that if you're looking for a bullish engulfing, right? You're like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
like, oh, it's bullish
Oh
engulfing, and
shit!
then it's just
Look at
like,
this.
oh yeah,
Meow. Oh, oh,
keeps
oh.
going.
Come on. Hey, I had it on last price. Why isn't it shadowing it? It just hit the pre-market high. It wicked it.
Yeah, I told you you're out too early, but
I know. Shut your
so was I. So
face.
I was too. So, but I
Look
like
at the
just
5 minute.
yeah, it's doing exactly what you hoped. So hopefully it runs up to
Yeah.
0.69
So
plus.
it just reran the high.
Yeah,
If I wouldn't have chickened out, I would have just had a huge win. But
yeah. Still a 5 minute bullish engulfing on MYSC.
okay, it's 10 o'clock. Why didn't it? Okay, here's the new candle.
Watch METX just run all day, right? I'll pass through everything. There it
It
goes.
probably will. It's gonna close the gap.
Yeah. That's looking sweet on MYSC so far.
I know it's a good 5 minute
5 minute.
candle.
Yeah.
69.
Till it's not.
Look at it on daily, you little beast.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. Gap
Oh,
closed.
sweet. I need to get out of Netflix. It's just I'm positive on it. Okay, I'm gonna close out Netflix. I'm gonna take half at least because um this thing has been just sell. Watch me buy like 100 more or something.
Tech guy, go Netflix.
I
He sold half.
don't. Yeah, I'm definitely selling half here.
What the hell
1.53.
is Tesla doing?
All right, at half. Let's see, let the other half run, or if I'm going to pike.
Holy moly, Tesla's $1,077.
Okay, sell, single.
My size. Come on.
1. Oh, sweet Netflix. Come on. 1.7. Oh, man, I'm making a killing on this thing. Thanks, Miz. Holy crap. All right, I'm
What
selling
is it
you.
doing? You're getting
Nice.
me excited and I'm not even in it.
Uh, all right, I'm out. Sweet. Thank God I
And
didn't pike on that dip flight. Let me
uh,
see. Um,
okay, there you go.
$800 on Netflix from just a small position. Um, nice. That volatility. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to send Michelle some more money.
Look at
I
my
don't know.
size. It's
Oh,
getting VWAP. It's reclaiming. Get ready.
I hope Michelle's listening, but why? Um, I know she wasn't going to make
I'm
work of
taking
it.
my size here.
Sorry, I'm so distracted. I'll probably watch it and get in if it. Um, sweet.
Oh, I only got filled on 300 shares. Okay, 800. And now it's taking it back because I got in. Come on, my size. The 1 minute.
It's Michelle just has that confidence. The whole thing's like
I
Netflix,
know,
even
diamond
though
balls.
she really is, and it pays off like more times than I've seen it fail. Whereas I would have been stopped out, but I was looking at the chart and I'm like, okay, Michelle's usually right. She did it on NVDA, so like I just held it a little bit longer. And sure, it probably hit like $1 million today, but I
One.
was
Oh, look.
oversized.
Oh, you took a lot of contracts.
Yeah, yeah. For me, I mean, it's not a lot. I mean, I've done 12, but it's not a lot. But it's when
ITP
you.
is taking off. Oh, look at it. My price alert just went off, so that's why I'm looking at ITP.
Okay, now I can focus on this stuff better. Now that I know I'm not gonna get destroyed by
I
Netflix.
I took my size at 151, so I'm even on it, but it's kind of struggling. I'm
Oh
like
yeah.
very surprised with 152. I want to see 1 minutes do better. And they're not really doing it. ITP is taking off. It's up 8%. Was there news on it? ITP. This is a mask play. No, no news. I don't know what's pushing ITP. Look at my size. Go the other way.
Mhm. I didn't take it. Sometimes it's pure luck, isn't it? Like you look away and do something else, and then you don't, so you don't get an entry you would have taken, and then it goes the reverse.
I know, because it fought to
No.
VWAP and then it changed its mind. IWM is pushing back up from 228 to 2297. I'm going to try not to shake out of this because
Just do a Michelle Diamond Hands, Diamond Balls, or whatever.
yeah, it's only less than 2% down. Well, down dancing between up 3%.
That's a proper Nessie on the 5 minutes top left.
This, yeah,
Proper Nessie chart.
it sure is.
Coils.
Here's a little head poking out the water.
Yeah. Isn't it such a fake out though? Like where it broke down your little triangle flag pennanty thing.
I
Like it
know.
broke the it totally faked everybody out, tanked all the way back, and then broke to the upside. Like
Exactly.
completely outside of the pattern, but still,
I know.
yeah.
This is literally exact Nessie, like SO1M. But yeah, if I would have held it, I would have been up massively. On 4,000 shares,
Yeah.
I would have been up 11 cents. But instead, I
Yeah.
sold it for
500.
loss
Yep.
and revenge traded a tiny bit back. Okay, my size is 1, 2, it's 10:05. This candle just opened.
That's looking pretty sweet. I might jump
Okay,
in
it's
there.
actually getting better. this opened above
Uh,
this opened above that, this opened above this. It's the 1 minute that's pissing me off.
YSC, let's see. Yeah, hesitation.
I know the 5 minute looks great, but these are such weird candles.
So 5 minute is taken by VWAP as well, so that's like double trouble, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Your key level and VWAP. 1 minute, 1 minute's kind of.
I know. It's the 1 minute that's not. These candles suck. It's ten oh
Yeah.
six. I want a green opened and close above here. Okay, that's the first one. When does it
Yeah.
close? I don't even know how long a minute is anymore.
New York minute or a real minute?
Are New
See.
York minutes faster?
I have
They,
no
I
idea. I've
think they're
only heard
supposed
that.
to be, right? Because we like hustle. Okay, there it goes.
Oh yeah, you're such a hustler.
Oh,
All right,
okay. It wicked over this. This is 5 minutes, 10:07. Okay, I'm up 4% on them. I don't want to hold this red, and I don't want to sell too early.
Yeah, I go in at 1.55 by the way. So
Okay, let me see last price. No, come back here.
no,
No. Oh, what is it doing? This
just
is a
kind of.
1 minute. I'm gonna get ready to close it, but METX is still Nessie, like perfect Nessie. I wonder if there's a real pattern that I mean we keep seeing it. We just call it Nessie.
Yeah,
So this wicked to 150 uh 159. Nice. Okay. The spread perfect, only 1 cent apart. This is only 9 million float. Has a catalyst. 154. 10:08, 10:09. So 2 more minutes on the 5 minute. The 1 minute is really the shit on it. GPW.
I should probably look and see if anybody's been commenting this whole time. Nope, nobody.
Okay.
Probably. People watching in and out though. I've been seeing.
155. 155.7. 156. I'm kind of tempted to take it at 156 and it's gonna
Completely rip.
exactly. I really don't want to let it go red. Okay, 1 more minute
Bids
on
at
this candle. Come on, my size.
bids at 154.
It's moving rather slow considering how up it is. It's the third top gainer of this session. METX is still um, the top gainer, 76%.
Yeah. I'm gonna put my stop at 152. I think. How about you? Oh.
Well, that would be it. What'd you get it at?
155. I was seeing if it will hold 152 here. Luckily, I didn't put a hard stop in yet, but we'll see. Might eat my words in it. Okay.
149.
It's got 1 minute to redeem itself. Wow, that was some candle.
Right? I should have
Somewhere.
taken it, but it went so fast. It wicked
Yeah.
159 for my 151 entry.
I stopped out at 148.
145. What am I in? 151? Yeah, 146. 149, 148. I don't know, it's acting funny right here, but it is 142. Oh, cool. 147? Really?
Yeah.
I said I wasn't gonna let it go red, but I didn't even have time to think. So it came down under VWAP and under the pre-market high again. This 5-minute chart is 245,000.
I hope it holds up for you. You still in?
Yeah.
Um,
I mean, I entered right around here. It's only I was down before it went up again, between 2 and 3%. So I should have just taken it, but it just was so
yeah.
fast. Like it shows it wicked 159. I didn't even see it do that. I saw 157, but then I put a sell order for 156 and it didn't let me out. 148. This is the 5, 10, 12. My God, this stupid home care company just repeatedly calling me. METX is down to VWAP. So it filled the gap and then it said, no, thank you. My size is back 150. It's really moving funny, right?
Yeah, really.
149 to 151. Then the spread 152.
Yeah, nice for holding it. I got stopped out. But
It's still, I don't really trust it. I'm gonna put a 156 order for now. Maybe I'll edit it. It just has a really weird movement. 153, 154, 155. Okay. There's a 12,000 sell wall here at 154. 154. Time and sales. And that's the sell wall just disappeared and came back. I guess a bunch of people sold at 154 and then more did.
more came.
Yeah. 152. 19. There's 19. Who the hell's buying 19 shares at 152? I'm just going to leave it at 156 for a bit.
Here you go. Hopefully this is a huge green candle breaking up through your 1.539 or whatever it is. Come on. 5 minutes.
People just keep putting sell wall on 154.
It's the man. You sound like Darth Vader again.
Do I? Sorry.
Yeah.
Maybe it's like mouth breathing into it.
Forbes.
$155. Did I just get out at 156? No, okay. Still sitting there. This home care case is like telling my kid's mom, the company, that like I'm not coming back. I'm like, what are they? They're literally lying.
That doesn't sound good.
No, the OTR's on maternity leave and they never covered her. So I can't go in until they find an OTR, but they're trying to throw me under the bus. 156. Let me out. Let me out. Let's do this.
Man.
Okay, I'm out. 156.
Nice. I got stopped at like 146 or something ridiculous.
Well, it's moving funny. I don't blame you. I mean, look how I stopped out on METX and I would have been massively up. Oh, now it's going to break 160. Cute. Real cute. It still has a good way to go to get to the 170s. What was I in? 151? Let's check it down 4 hours. Jesus, look at that 4-hour candle. Meowza. Daily.
Gonna... 82% on small account challenge in Michelle so far.
Oh, hell yeah. That's so baller.
I know.
I missed so many with the kids being sick. I'm missing it right now. If she did anything new, I don't know. I'm going to add more PTs to my size because just look at its daily, right? We're here. We made it to here. But there's like little to nothing stopping it.
Let's see. Wow. I'm such a sucker for getting stopped out. I really am. Gotta stop it. Stop getting stopped out.
I know. It's hard not to.
The problem is, as soon as I decide that I'm going to stop getting stopped out, I lose half my account on something pulling back like 1,000,000%, like Diamond Boss.
I know.
Yeah.
It's because if you don't stop out, they don't stop dropping.
Exactly.
But if you stop out, then all right, ITP. I'm gonna get eyes back on that ITP. I got to see if Raiden's waking up. Yeah, so ITP is a mass play. Look at it. This is a key level on it. I can't. These fucking idiots. Sorry, I'm like dealing with this home care crap in the background. Okay, 155. My size. ITP. Okay, METX is doing a VWAP bounce. This turned totally not to a morning trade. Sorry, people. This is very different.
Yeah.
We're way past that time, but I mean, this is still, there's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, a lot of stuff to day trade.
Could we call this Poodle? You know those little, like, what are those dogs that Dorothy has in her basket?
It looks like a Scotty Terrier.
Yeah, that's the Dorothy one, right? She carries it in her basket.
Yeah, right.
Okay. This is a Scottish Terrier. I just decided with some help.
That's perfect. Yeah. You know, Cameron Foose. Have you seen him around? The guy that does the day trading.
Cameron who?
Stuff. Cameron Foos, Fous. He
F I don't think so.
so he's one of these like more well known like guru guys, and he basically took four patterns, right, and then called them the Foos Four, and
Okay.
then sold a course for like $1,000 just with the Foos Four patterns, but they were literally like a bull flag was one of them, a dip, and then red to green was another one.
Really?
It was yep, and the
The red
market
to
is the
green.
yeah, um, and he called them the Foos Four
The
and
fist?
sold them.
Like a fist with your hand?
No, the Foos, so Fous, Foos, I think that's
Oh,
how you say it.
Foos. Is that his
Foos,
name or
yeah.
something?
Yeah, it's his last name.
Okay, the Foos 4. So like the
Yeah,
barber 4.
right. I don't even know what your last name is half the time. I think
Win
um, Win.
from
So
Wales.
yeah, that's right. That's right.
I
Because
actually
it
did
was
that on Facebook because my school told me to back in like 2009.
it's
They're like,
perfect. Yeah,
patients will find you. Like, trust me, you
yeah,
don't. And it's actually true. Even without putting my name on there, multiple patients have somehow found me. I mean, Marian doesn't help. There's not a lot of Marians in
right,
Suffolk County, Long Island. But yeah, that's the only reason I don't
right.
have it on there is because of I don't want people from work finding me, but they do anyway.
Looks like CETX. You just got an alert on that. You were saying
I
you were
did I?
watching it
Okay,
earlier.
thank you.
Yeah.
My
I love how I'm the second line of alerts on your broker.
CTX.
That's my
Okay.
role. I'll just sit here and call out the alerts that are coming up on your
Because you know what?
brokerage.
I've gotten so used to almost ignoring them
Yeah,
because sometimes they go off so much. Uh, this is the 5 minute. It has mass. It's only a 19 million float. It's over VWAP. It went from 105. That's when I said it before. It's at 111. The pre-market it was up to 120. Yesterday's lows were 110. So it just broke yesterday's lows before it took off. It was right between $1 and $1.10. Visual voicemail. Okay, what does PBTS say? Down 3%. So what pisses me off is that PBTS, I kept bringing it up yesterday because, come on, my size. Um, CETX, come on. What did you say? Oh, CE, no, shit. Oh, PBST, no, PBTS. So these are my price alerts, right? And it all day yesterday, they were going up.
just flirted
And
with it the whole
just,
time, and
yeah,
boom.
nonstop.
Yep.
And this is actually I don't know if you remember this, but I called this as a swing like maybe a month ago. And then it
Hmm.
ran like massively and went like over 100%. We tried it again. We've been doing good on this one. But every time before it runs, it starts to get like here it ran and it first just dances here, then does it
Yeah.
again, then it runs. But if you go back, let's see the 4 hour chart, this is where it ran too, right? And look right
Yep.
before it all day. Bing, 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 bing.
Yep.
So I got to start. This is where this is the first time. So every single time, like it really, really likes this area, and then it shoots
Yep.
off, and then it consolidates, and then it shoots off. Like there's like until it broke down every single time. And right here, it was just going off, 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 and I ignored it. And
Yep.
look, could have been great.
Exactly.
Both these times, I ignored it. But
Yeah, and
anyway,
I
it
think
definitely.
you're saying that as we're going to probably start doing something a bit different, right? Where we, um, rather than just the morning trades, try and figure out how to hold these things for swings. Um,
So
yeah,
I need to give them more of a chance because
yeah,
I'm
I do
typically
too.
leaving at like 10, like this, CYRN. Oh shit. How did I not even see that? So I alerted this Friday. Look at it
Yeah.
here. I took it at
Wow.
45 and then I
Yeah, so
saw
it
it.
keeps happening.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I saw it moving yesterday. So I averaged up, remember? So I would have been like 20,
Yeah.
I would have been over 20% up on my shares from Friday. But when I saw it
Nice.
take off yesterday, I was like, you know what? I only have 1,000 shares. That's only $500. That's dumb. So
Yeah.
I doubled my position and averaged
Yeah.
up. But this one, I mean, it has so much to go.
I mean, maybe that's what we do. We've been saying that like the morning gappers are not really going anymore. Maybe we turn them into like couple day swing trades. Like we
Yeah.
literally that's the thesis going in. It's like,
Look at
and
it,
if it
just
happens faster,
on
yeah,
10.6, it went all the way here to 91. So it has massive upside, but I keep doing this. I see 12% and I'm like, I love that. Why don't I just take it? And then I
yeah,
take it and then
yeah,
I forget and then 3 days later it's
doubled or something.
tripled. Even,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
ridiculous. I mean, we just took even um which one was it? I forget, but it just keeps doing it. And then I'm selling like even SONM. You and me traded this just
yeah,
SONM. This was the first Nessie.
yeah.
But this has ran multiple times.
Mm-hmm.
And
The original Nessie.
yeah, we traded it down here. That's why all my lines are there. So it did split, but regardless,
Yeah, yeah,
we were taking it here. And then we took profit here.
yep,
And then we tried again and we took profit. And then it failed. You could see the purple line. So
yeah.
we did it twice. At least I did. I don't know if you took it both times.
I don't remember now. Mm,
But then, yeah, I was out right before the massive run. But now it's split. Doesn't it's confusing now because it's split. But I'm telling you, there's so many of them.
crazy.
Oh, look at
Well,
it now. It's trying to
hmm,
fill the gap back up.
7 hour. I think I have to take the car um in about half an hour.
Okay.
So
I would keep
maybe we
eyes on
just
my size at 150
yep.
and
You can probably just buy it now and hold it for a week, and you'll be up
on it,
thousand
right?
percent or something.
Let's look at the daily really quick before you go.
Yeah,
I mean, chances are if it settles over here, you know what I mean? If it settles up here, then it's not gonna, if it actually finds support in this area, I'm sure it doesn't want to
yeah,
come back
exactly.
down. It's a huge deal with Levi's, but, and I'm gonna watch METX. You see why RN is worth watching, even though I'm in it already.
Sounds good.
I gotta get the baby up, but all right,
Yeah.
I'm glad
All
at
right.
least
Well, thanks
agree.
again. Yeah, yeah.
See
All right.
ya.
I'll catch up with you later. Cheers.
Bye.